This is a collection video of my Thomson Railway collection. Thomas, Edward, Henry, Gordon, James, Percy, Toby, Duck, Donald, Emily, Oliver, Hero, Charlie, Bash, Dash, Ferdinand, Scruff, Norman, Paxton, Sydney, Dan, Dart, Glenn, Stafford, Caitlin, Connor, Stephen, Porter, Marion, Timothy, Gator, Samson, Ryan, Skiff, Philip, Ishima, Frida, Vinny, Rosie, Bill, Van, Harvey, Lady, Fergus, Stanley, Matthias, Whiff, Dennis, Salty, Diesel, Ari, Bert, Brewster, Mavis, Diesel 10, Tom, Boko, G199, Molly, Hank, the Soda Railway Repair, the Mallard, and the Flying Scotsman. Here are my narrow gauge engines: Scanwilly, Rheneas, Rusty, Duncan, Freddy, Mighty Mac, Proteus, Victor, Luke, Millie, Cody, Mike. Here are my road vehicles: Alfie, Scenery, Nelson, Harold, and Oliver. Here are my coaches and rolling stock: Annie, Clarabelle, the Express coaches, Stephen's Castle coaches, Tom's coach, Edward's coach, Toby's coach, the Blue Cargo car, Daniel Fossil car, the Outwood Thomas 2015 car, Chinese Dragon, Crohn's Gate Mining Company car, Oil and Coal cars, Diesels in Disguise cars, the Troublesome trucks, the Safari cars, Circus cars, the Cargo cars, the Mail coaches, cars 2, 3, and 4, the Pirate Ship Deliveries car set, Rocky, and 3 cabooses. Here are extra engines: Take and Play Thomas, Nordsdale Thomas, Oil Splatter Thomas, Take and Play Gordon, Real Gordon Thunder, Take and Play Percy, Oil Splatter Percy, Take and Play Emily, Take and Play Ferdinand, Nordsdale Lady, Mini Diesel, Take and Play Diesel 10, Take and Play Annie and Clarabelle, and a model train, San Francisco tram, 6 steam engines, unused, 4 motorized engines, and 5 Chuggington engines. That is my entire collection.